Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. This afternoon I am milking cows and I just wanted to show you guys a little update that we did on the parlor this past week. My dad installed hoses in the middle of the parlor instead of what we had on the sides. So what we used to have was 3 hoses on each side coming out from the bottom, and then there'd be a hose that hung on the edge there. It worked decently well for us. The only problem was that you had, 6 nozzles to look after, 6 nozzles that cows like to step on because it was sitting on the edge here. So we decided to go with the overhead configuration so that we could hopefully mitigate the damage that happens to the nozzles. And now we only have to look after 3 of these things instead of 6, and they're decently easy to grab and spray. So we're gonna see how that goes. It is very tempting to jump on them and swing on them though. Obviously I'm too heavy to do that, but it's very tempting. How much rain did we get, Jan?
55 millimeters or just over 2 inches.
In one 24-hour period. Yeah!
Good.
Look at he's so.
Look at this. Oh, it's close.